First, take off the pre-attached mounting bracket. Use a suction cup with one hand to grip the glass frame. For the embedded installation, it's necessary to reserve a wall opening, undrill an inner hole for the power cable. Please refer to the reserved pit dimension diagram. Pass the power cord through the reserved hole in advance. Tuck the electric fireplace into the reserved pit. Drive the screws in with an electric screwdriver. Put the decorative pieces into the electric fireplace. Install the glass panel back using the suction cup. Then the installation is completed. Fix the removed installation bracket to the wall. Use a level ruler to ensure that the bracket is level. Make marks with a marker pen according to the holes on the bracket. Drill holes at the marked positions with an electric drill. If it is installed on a concrete wall, the expansion screws need to be inserted into the pre-drilled holes. If it is a wooden wall, this step is not necessary. Install the bracket. Hang the fireplace on the installed bracket and tighten the fixing screws. Put the decorative pieces as same as that of the embedded installation. Reinstall the glass panel using the suction cup. Then the installation is completed.